Selvi, mama, oh Selvi.
Hey bro, what's up? Hey. No, let them sleep. Huh?
Water.
Let them sleep.
Water, hey. Water.
Quite a party last night. The boys drank a lot. Rum Jawan, and it's a hard rum. So in the morning the sea looks awesome. It's around 10 a.m. You can see the beauty of the sea. Kovalam Beach. We can have a great view of the sea. Due to these trees, I'm not able to view the sea, but from there you can view that. And it looks awesome and peaceful. Really good. So this is the daytime at Kovalam Beach, and it's quite beautiful. This is the local bazaars. Tattoo house. Hey, these guys are going for fishing. Look at this boat. These guys are going to fish.
I had the main of the look and entered the Nangir or an alley. Kalandra.
Wow. Awesome. Awesome and beautiful. Really. Look at the view, guys. Really awesome and relaxing. Oh. So, where did you go?
Huh?
The guy. Anandu.
He's returned to home.
He already returned. Kerala's biggest year-end festival. Almaram. Okay. So this is the tour of Kovalam Beach. Sea rough. Swimming is prohibited. Swimming not allowed. No? It's a rough sea. What these ladies are doing, huh? Is it mango?
Mango.
And this one is?
Pineapple.
Fine. Do you want? No? How much for that?
20.
Mango in that season?
Mango. Achha.
Okay.
Good, nice mango. What pineapple? One pineapple.
No pineapple. Later.
Masala dal. Masala
Later.
put in it. Sweet.
Awesome. After some time.
Yeah, okay. You like. Hello?
Will you be my cameraman? Let's try how it is.
എൻ്റെ കൂടെ പറയണ്ട, ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഉള്ള എന്ന്.
Mango.
അവരായിരിക്കില്ല വേറെ അല്ലായിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ പറയണേന്ന്.
Mango in this. What's he saying? What's he saying?
No, I see, I'm just here. I'm the local guy.
Oh. Have some, no? There's a hair in that mango.
How's it?
Good, but spicy.
Bro, where is your mask?
Oh, I forgot the mask in the room.
The cops are waiting.
Okay. Where's the dustbin? Dustbin. No dustbin here? This is the dustbin? This area? Only in Kerala you can find mangoes in December, no? But flavor. Have some, no? Taste awesome. Are they going to fine me for not wearing the mask? What do you say?
No, just an idea. You eat this
And wear the hanky.
take video and just like through.
No, I have other option also. Okay. Here. Where I can get the water. Water to wash my hand. These are the local autos. Anyone can book. So I can wear this as a mask. Thank you. So as you can see, this is not a particular parking area, and we left our scooty overnight here. So there is no any problem of theft or anything here. Quite a good place. Bye bye Kovalam Beach. Awesome to be here. Now let's go. Very deep. So people come and jump from here. And people also died here.
Yeah.
Lots of people. Oh God.
Something called
Any
suicide point.
any recent activity? Recent
No.
death? No recent death. Thank God.
It's around 100 and above feet.
Okay.
Very deep.
Yeah. And rock mountain also. So these mountains are man-made or natural?
Man-made.
Man-made, okay. Man-made. Clams.
It's famous.
Famous clams. Let's have some petrol. How much the price here? I'm paying it. So here the petrol goes. So come here to fill the tank. After that, we'll move on. And the weather is awesome. Awesome for exploring. In my state, West Bengal, there is a 10-degree, much less temperature than here. 10 degrees Celsius, much less. And very cold there. But here, all around the year, it's quite in the range. 30, 32, 34, 28. I think currently it is just 28 to 30 degrees Celsius right now. Good weather to explore. And you find coconut tree everywhere in Kerala. This is the city Trivandrum, and in this city also there are lots of coconut trees. Let's see how this machine works, the petrol pump machine. And looks inside that machine. You can see this is the inside of that particular machine. Lots of things, huh? This is the motor. This is the indicators.
All the machine.
Whole machine. Theka.
Shop.
Oh, so there is a line in there.
Yeah.
Oh God. Look at that, guys. Hello. Lots of people in that line, huh? All your mango?
No.
In December?
You can just this is shell like
But I just see in the market raw mangoes in the market, and we also ate mangoes that in the beach.
oyster.
Okay.
Oyster. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oyster.
Oysters. Yeah. Oysters.
That type of oysters, small oysters.
Small oysters. I'm talking about mango, man.
Yeah.
We can find mango all around the year in Kerala. Raw mango.
Raw mango.
Yeah. Yeah, nah?
But it's importing
Oh,
from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka.
Mangoes are basically come from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka.
Hello? Kerala. ചൊവ്വര ആഴിമലയിലെ വീഡിയോ കൂടെ എടുത്തിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇതങ്ങ് മേളിൽ നിൽക്കുകയല്ലേ, ഞാൻ വച്ചു തുടങ്ങിയാ. അത് തന്നെ അവര് വീഡിയോ എടുക്കണം. ഞാൻ വെക്കണല്ലേ ഇറക്കിയാതെ തന്നെ വെളിയിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട്
Asia's largest deep sea. So sea is very deep here.
deep.
Very deep. Okay.
Working in progress.
Working.
New port.
So it's going to be a port
Yeah.
for trading, shifting goods. Okay.
Did you see that
Boats, big boats. It's quite apart from here. Not in progress.
Tapioca plant.
Tapioca. This one is tapioca. Okay, can we see that? Please. So this is okay. So tapioca grows under the soil, na? This is the plant. This one, na? This. So these are the tapioca, and this is banana farming. What type of banana this is?
This one is famous for
Cooking
chips.
chips. Okay. This one is the famous chips banana. Okay. So I heard about snakes, cobra snakes. In the field, any cobra? Never in your entire life. You see, in the fields.
Like farming side.
Farming side, you see cobra. Hello, namaskaram. The famous chips banana chips. Lots of people here, huh?
Yeah.
It's a tourist place.
Yeah.
No entry.
ഇവിടെ പിടിച്ചു പോയിട്ടുള്ള പാത്രങ്ങളൊക്കെ അടയ്ക്കാനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പിടിച്ചു. പാത്രങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഓട്ടം പിടിക്കാനും
Lots of people, man. It's a very touristic place, I think, huh?
Yeah. Very famous.
And very famous also. These villas are awesome.
Yeah.
These villas. Well maintained. Okay. Shankara. So we finally arrived at a very famous place of Kerala. What is the name of this place?
Arimala Shiva Temple.
Aimala.
Shiva Temple.
Aimala Shiva Temple. Let's see and explore. Aimala. The statue is awesome. Forget the keys.
ഉള്ളത്തിലൊക്കെ മതി വരും. കറക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദക്ഷിണ വന്നാൽ മതി. പറയുന്നത് ശരിയല്ലെങ്കിൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. മനസ്സിന് വിശേഷമായ കാര്യം, സന്തോഷമായ കാര്യം കൊണ്ട് വരും.
let's see my future. You can tell my future.
നോക്ക് തമ്പി.
You can tell my future, na?
തമ്പി തത്തയെടുത്ത് ഉള്ളത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട്
How
പറയാം.
much?
പേര് നേം എന്താണ്? പേരെന്താണ്?
എത്രയാ
50 ഉള്ളൂ. 50.
50 rupees.
Okay.
ഉള്ളത് കറക്റ്റ് പറയാം.
So you will translate, huh?
പേരെന്താണ്? നേം
നിങ്ങളെ ഇരിക്കാൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും കൊടുക്കാവോ?
ഇരിക്കണം. ഇതാണ് ഇരിക്കണം പറയുന്നത്. നിമിഷം അവിടെ ഈ പേർക്ക് നല്ല ഒരു സാധകം നോക്കിയെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ കൃഷിക്ക് മന്ത്രിയാമോ നോക്കുമോ
Bro.
സമയങ്ങൾ കൊള്ളാമോ ബാക്കിയുണ്ടോ ഫലമുണ്ടോ നോക്കിയെടുക്കും. മോനെ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗം ഐശ്വര്യമായ ചെടി തന്നെ ഭഗവാൻ മഹാദേവനാണ് കിട്ടിയത്. ശിവൻ പാർവതി ഭഗവാൻ അമ്പലം കോവിൽ പോയി ഭഗവാനെ വിളിച്ചില്ലേലും മനസ്സിൽ ദൈവസങ്കല്പവും. തമ്പി പറയാൻ മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. പറക്കുന്ന പക്ഷി പറവയുടെ മനസ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാലും തമ്പിയുടെ മനസ്ഥിതി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. ആള് കമ്മണ് ഇരുന്നാലും ഭീമന്റെ കൂട്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ സാധിക്കും.
If you never go to a temple, but in your heart, God is in your heart.
വഞ്ചനകളില്ല. ഇതിൽ നേരെ വാ നേരുവാക്കും. വാക്കിന് വില, വാശി വൈരാഗ്യം, ദൈവാർണമുണ്ട്. 4 മരണത്തിൽ നിന്ന് രക്ഷപ്പെട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ബന്ധം സ്വന്തം ഒന്നും ഹെൽപ്പില്ല.
If you recover in 4 death time.
What?
4 time you have just skipping in your death time.
Okay.
ബലി പഴക്കം, ബലി സഹകരണം, വാശി വൈരാഗ്യം, ദൈവാർണമുണ്ട്. 75 ആയുസ് സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിട്ടുമുണ്ട്.
You are living in still 75 years.
I live 75 years.
75. എൻ്റെ മാരേജിന് ഭാഗ്യമുണ്ട്. ഒന്നിന് ലവ് മാരേജ് വിലയിൽ പോയി. അറേഞ്ച്മെൻറ്റ്
It's one of your love has broken.
അത് കഴിഞ്ഞു.
That's
മാരേജ്
end.
ജനുവരി പുതുവർഷം തൊട്ട് നല്ല കാര്യം സുഖകാര്യം വിചാരിക്കും.
It's your January, still your life is going good.
Good.
വേറെ ദോഷമൊന്നുമില്ല.
Okay.
ശിവപാർവതി വന്നില്ല.
Thank you.
തമ്പി പേരൊക്കെ
So I get a good girl.
എല്ലാം ഓക്കെ ആയി.
What is saying, na?
സന്തോഷം.
Namaskar.
മക്കളെ തത്തയെടുത്ത് പറയാം.
Lots of shoes, huh?
YouTube channel.
Karma.
കൊൽക്കത്തയിൽ
So this is the temple.
I will take the
So we can go from here. So you coming with me, na? What is that for? Weighing machine?
It's തുലാഭാരം.
Wait.
വിചാരിക്കും അപ്പുറത്തോട്ട് പോകാം വെളിയിൽ പോകണം അകത്ത് ജാമുണ്ട് വിചാരിക്കും
जय शिवा
നിവേദ്യം ഒരേ സെക്കൻഡ്
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വീണ്ടും എടുക്കാം.
awesome man. The seaside. So it's a Shiva temple and a big Shiva statue here. And the guy just predicted my future also. Awesome place to hang around, huh?
നിവേദ്യമാണ്.
Okay.
നിവേദ്യമാണെന്ന് പുറത്തോട്ട്.
What is saying Nivedya?
നിവേദ്യം മീൻസ് പൂജ ടൈം.
Puja time. Okay. So what is this for?
തുലാഭാരം.
Tulapharam means?
Children, small children, they are sitting there. Here, if you like feet or
Oh, waiting the children with some sort of goods. Like Krishna, who waiting himself like gold in gold. Okay, okay. So what is this for?
Camera over.
No camera.
No camera.
Okay, but we already capture all the stuff there. What is that big pillar is for? The big pillar.
that's called Kodimaram.
Kodimanan.
Kodimaram.
Oh. It's some historical.
Yeah.
Lots of people here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Prasadam. Let's have some. How much?
പറ്റൂലായിരിക്കും.
How much? I have. No, take it from there. No? I have change.
Done.
This is the famous prasadam. We can try it right now. It's a fried balls like sweet, na?
Unniyappam.
Unniyappam. Try it, na? Coconut also, coconut.
Ah.
It's a clean beach. What these guys are selling?
Selling lottery.
Oh. So I can be a millionaire by buying this? Huh? Wow. Awesome view, man. Oh, beautiful. Oh, backside of this statue. This thing is really nice.
Unniyappam.
Yeah. Unniyappam. Made in jaggery, I think.
Ah.
Jaggery coconut.
And coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Fried in coconut oil.
Wow. I think coconut is backbone of South India. Yeah? Wow. Awesome. And beautiful, huh? So people living here? The houses?
No.
Is it for the temple area?
Temple.
So it's an Indian Ocean, na? Indian Ocean.
This is the
This one?
riding way.
Trading seat there. Yeah, man. Lottery. 300 rupees for one ticket.
Hello. Ticket.
One ticket, 300.
300. Hello.
12 crore.
12 crores.
Hello.
12 crores rupees.
12 crore winning prize.
Oh. So lottery tax is one of the big chunk of state government fund, na? Lottery and liquor. Lottery and liquor. Hey, is it elephant? Elephant, na? Elephant. Elephant. No elephant. Oh, so door is closed. So we come at right time. No, if we're late, then we are not be able to visit the temple.
Parrot.
Yeah. We will go. Where we will go after this? Home?
Home.
Okay.
And Prasha?
Nice mostly, huh? So let's have some cats and explore the land of Kerala.